Yo, what's up YouTube? We are back again with another one. This time I'm gonna do a quick little review on this new GR. It just came out. For me, it came out yesterday, October 4th, for all skate shops. I believe it's gonna come out on the 9th, I think it was, on sneakers. So it still hasn't dropped on sneakers yet. As I'm recording this, still not out. Today is the 5th of October, so day after I just picked these up. So I left off on my last video saying that the next video was gonna be the Supremes, but still waiting to get those. They still haven't came. They should be coming this week coming up, so hopefully they come like fucking on what, Wednesday or something. I think it says on the 8th they're supposed to get delivered, but I still haven't really gotten any updates on the tracking since they departed their original location in Georgia. So yeah, I'm just kind of wondering what the hell is going on, but I'm pretty sure I'll get them. Anyways, gonna be doing a review on these. They just dropped the Persian Violets. You can see with for the name there, you see the name Persian Violet, Cinnamon, Violet Persian, Off Noir or whatever, and Canal. I did pick these up for 120 bucks. Yeah, good price. I think it's one of the better looking GRs that's coming out this year, or that's came out this year. And for sure, I think it's a fire pair. And if you didn't notice, I did upgrade my lighting like I did say the last time. So things are looking a whole lot better already. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let's get into the shoes. So they do come in your regular GR purple SB box. Here's your regular paper. And here is the shoe. Bam, that's it right there. Boom, look at that. Let me focus it. Boom, that's it right there, look at that. And this is a GR, so, I mean, for a regular GR, I think these are pretty fire. So we have the violet, or the Persian Violet suede. So the whole shoe suede other than the swooshes, which are that leather, that cinnamon leather. Also have the cinnamon laces, and I did lace these up already. So, you know what I'm saying? I got my lace up done already. This is like a black suede. It's more of like a, kind of like a, not really ashy black. I guess you could kind of say it's like an anthracite black. So it's like not super deep black compared to like other black suede shoes and stuff. These have the black midsole. And they do have the gum bottom, which is a pretty nice touch with that cinnamon colored Phylon foam insert there. And I mean, there's not really too much with this shoe. Pretty basic, but it's pretty clean colorway, I think. Let me get this insole out. Let's show the insole. Go this way. Get it from the side. So it does have that cinnamon colored insole. Focus. And the cinnamon colored insole, regular SB insole, you know, with the little pod and the foam there. Inside of the shoe, it's that Persian Violet sock liner. And these have a decent tongue. They're not super thick on the tongue. The tongue's not super thick, but it isn't like super thin either, like on some of these other recent SB drops. It's had that super thin ass insole. So they do come with the spare laces of the Persian Violet laces. My laces were already like messed up when I got them, so they're all kind of sloppy. Here's the other shoe. Get these stacked up. And of course, like every other SV, it does come with that Nike SB sticker. I mean, there's not really much to these pairs, man. It's pretty sick. Like I said, man, this is a pretty basic shoe, but again, it's also a pretty fire colorway, if you ask me. Yeah, these are pretty fire, man. I mean, you could put in those Persian by the laces, but I think it would be too much purple. I think it's a good touch with those cinnamon laces. So yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking on these, you know? How are they looking? Did you guys cop a pair? Are you going to cop a pair when they release on sneakers? What do y'all think? Comment down below. I haven't been having too much engagement on the comments, so if you guys can go ahead, comment and let me know what you guys are thinking. It'll help me out for sure. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You know, I'm trying to build my channel up right now. You know, I'm still kind of like, you know, growing. And to be honest, you know, this is my second YouTube page. My first original page that I had like from 15 years ago got deleted, got banned by YouTube, you know, back in the day, being a teenager, you know, uploaded little stupid fights at school, and then I got my account banned. And it sucks because I actually had like some videos that I used to throw on there, and I used to do a lot of projects, and I had a couple 100,000 views on it, and I had like over 1,000 subscribers, and I never really did anything with it. So hoping I can do something again with this channel. Hopefully I can grow it and grow my subscribers up again, and, you know, continue to do this YouTube thing, because I do kind of enjoy making these videos and reviewing these other shoes. You know, it gives me more reasons to keep buying these sick ass shoes, you know. You kind of see my collection is kind of growing a little bit. I'm still trying to get rid of like a lot of old shoes that I don't wear, like Jordans and stuff. I'm kind of like, I said on my first review, kind of over Jordans and stuff, oversaturated, too many people wearing them, and everyone wants the same shoe, and I don't like wearing the same stuff that everybody has. So, and I've always been an SB, like a super, not really super, but I've been into SBs. I've always liked SBs and all the different colors and styles, but it's just, back in the day, it was super hard to even try to like get a pair of SBs. Like, yeah, you'd have to go like super far for like a certain skate shop, and it was just way harder. It seems like nowadays it's way easier to get these shoes now. So yeah, man, tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna try to drop this video before they come out on sneakers. Let me actually check, when is the day that they're coming out on sneakers? Let me check, give me 1 second here. Oh, they come out on Tuesday. So they're coming out on Tuesday the 7th. So that is a couple days from now. Today's Sunday the 5th. So these will be coming out in 2 days on sneakers. So will you be copping? Let me know. What do you think of this pair? I think it's one of the better SBs, GR pairs, general release pairs that came out this year so far. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this pair. Are you guys gonna cop? Are you guys gonna skip? If not, you know, throw it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. My cat just jumped on the damn table. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cutting this video short, get up out of here, so I can make this video, upload it, edit it, and get it ready for tomorrow. So please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe and all that jazz. Oh shit. Anyways, I'll be tapping in.